more bravery, but I'm not banking on it.
And in the absence of that bravery, then we hope, as I read through your piece, that we do not both sides any of the lies. We don't both sides any of his positions that are clearly untenable.
Yeah, Donald Trump is not business as usual, and you can't cover him in that way.
Chomp, chomp, chomp. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Thank you, Mom. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Thank you, Mom.
Do we look okay?
Hello, I'm Josh.
I'm Ollie.
And I'm Andy.
Jollandy.
Jollyland.
Jollyland.
Whoa. Theme park. Today we have got you here
Alright,
to
that's enough.
try out some weirdly named English foods. Not Korean food. There will be foods probably you've tried before, but we're going to introduce them to Korea and to the rest of the world.
You're so spoiled.
Let's be honest, Britain has a lot of strangely named foods. Very, very strange.
Well,
Let's bring out the first one, shall we?
Let's try them. I know that all of your mouths are watering. It does not look good.
It could be worse. This is what it looked like before we cooked it. So that is what it looked like. We'll put that up on screen.
Yeah.
Probably the most disgusting.
I wouldn't feed that to my dog.
So you know what this is called? What is this called?
This is called Toad in the Hole.
Yummy?